And I also noticed nowadays, devotees are losing interest for hearing. Often they think that, oh, I know everything. There is no need to hear. But that's a very dangerous situation. In spiritual life, you can never know enough. You can never know enough. There is always more and more to hear, more and more to learn. Nitya Navanavayama, this is the spiritual reality. It is becoming always newer and newer and newer. So if you think that you have got everything, that means you are missing out on the real thing. So as it came out from Bhagavatam class also the other day, from the instructions of Sri Sanat Kumar, that the real advancement is indicated by the eagerness to hear. The more we advance, the more we will be interested. So never think that you have learned everything and there is no need to hear. No need to attend the seminars. No need to attend Bhagavatam classes. No need to read lotus books. Therefore, please don't take spiritual life lightly. Take it very sincere, very serious. Because it is a serious business. It is the most important business in your life. To get to know Krishna. To recognize your relationship with Him. To develop your relationship with Him. And then only He will transport it to the spiritual sky. It's a very simple process.